The interior is exceptionally roomy, with a central peak reaching almost 10 feet and taller side walls, providing ample space for standing and moving around comfortably. Constructed from a high-quality, breathable cotton canvas and a rugged PVC floor, this tent effectively repels water thanks to its triple-layer system and innovative water-expanding stitching. Its remarkable versatility for all 4 seasons is evident in its adaptable design, which includes a stove jack for winter warmth and roll-up walls that create a breezy canopy for summer. Despite its considerable size, the tent is surprisingly stable in harsh weather, utilizing a robust yet lightweight aluminum alloy pole system designed for straightforward assembly. This yurt-style tent elevates the camping experience, offering a luxurious and comfortable shelter that feels more like a portable cabin than a traditional tent. The manufacturer's commitment to quality is underscored by a lifetime warranty, ensuring this tent is a reliable and lasting investment for countless outdoor adventures.